Hi, this is me, CodeToon. We're coding meets animation.
In this video, you will learn how to create a talking boy like me using PowerPoint in few easy steps. Let's go!
First, we will open Chrome or any web browser. Go to freepik.com. Type mouse animation. Choose the mouse animation picture you like. I'll choose this one by pch.vector. Then click on download and then free download. Now open the file location. You will find the downloaded file compressed, so unzip it. Open PowerPoint. Then a new blank presentation. Delete all the default text boxes. Insert the mouse animation picture that we have just downloaded. Duplicate the slide to be used as a reference. Then click on the picture, go to Picture Tools, Format, and then Crop Picture. Crop the picture to the first mouse shape. Adjust the crop area, and then place the mouse shape in the center. Click on the second slide, duplicate it, then click on the picture in the third slide. Then go to Picture Tools, Format, and Crop Picture. Choose the second mouse shape and crop the area around it. Place it at the center of the grid. Then repeat the previous step again. We're going to duplicate the third slide, click on the picture, Picture Tools, Format, Crop, and then choose the third mouse shape. Crop the area around it and adjust it at the center of the slide. We will repeat this step over and over again till we crop all the mouse shapes, each in a separate slide. Now we've completed cropping all the mouse shapes. I'll go to the slide with the closed mouse shape, duplicate it, and put it at the end of the slide. Now if you went through the slides in sequence, you will be able to see the mouse animated. I'll go to the first slide, which I created as a reference, and delete it. Now we will remove the white background of each mouse shape. Click on the picture in the first slide, go to Picture Tools, Format, and Remove Background. Click on Mark Areas to keep. Any area in purple is an area that will be removed. I'll mark all the areas I want to keep. And I'll make sure that all the areas I want to keep are not in purple. And if there's an area that you want to remove, then choose Mark Areas to remove and choose this area. Repeat these steps for each mouse shape in each slide. Click on the picture in each slide. Go to Picture Tools, Format, Mark Areas to keep, and make sure that all the areas you want to keep are not in purple color. Now go to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, set the width and the height to 3 inches each, select Maximize, and now we set the slide size to fit the mouse size. Go to Transitions and then Advanced Slide and click on After. Unclick on Mouse Click. Set the After timings to 25 milliseconds, then Apply to All, and run the presentation to see the animation. Great! Now the mouse is animated. What I'll do next is that I will insert the picture of the character that I want to animate its mouth. I'll choose this boy character by brgfx on freepik.com. Now I'll place the picture outside the slide to be able to see the mouth shape, and then I'm going to click on Design, Format Background. Then I'm going to click on Color and choose the eyedropper and click on the color of the boy's face. And then I'll click Apply to All to be applied on all the slides of our presentation. So now the color of all the mouse shapes background is the same color as that of the boy's face. The skin color gives it now a more realistic look. Now we will save our presentation as MP4. Then we will create a new blank presentation. Insert the boy picture. Crop the picture to the boy. Place the boy at the center of the slide, then go to Insert, click on My Videos on my PC, and then choose the mouse animation video that we have just saved as MP4. Resize the mouse shape video to fit the size of the boy's face. Now I'll crop it a little bit to make sure that the rectangle is not outside the face. I'll keep adjusting the size till I'm satisfied with the end result. Perfect! Now you can feel that the boy's mouth is part of his face. Go to Animations, Animation Pane, and then click on Play Mouse Movement Animation and start with Previous. Run the presentation now. Woohoo! The boy is talking and the mouth is animated. Now we will save this presentation as MP4 type as well. Let's go to the file location where we saved our MP4 file and run it and see our boy animated. Now let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation and remove the white background of the boy as we did with the mouse shape. So I will set the background of the slide to green to use it as a Chrome key. I'll go back to our boy picture to remove the white background. Make sure that all the areas that you want to keep are not in purple and any area you want to remove is in purple. Perfect. Now we will save our file as MP4. Choose your file name and go to the file location where you saved your file. Run the MP4 file. Now you have a mouse animation of the boy. You can use it in your projects. Don't forget to credit brgfx on freepik.com and to credit our channel Code Toon Tech Club if you use this animation in your projects. I'll leave you a link for this video with the green screen in the description box below. Don't miss the fun to learn with Code Toon and subscribe now.